Welcome to Little Learners. Today we are going to learn signs for what? Animals. Ready? Dog, dog, dog. Cat, cat, cat. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Cow, cow, cow. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Horse, horse, horse. Bird, bird, bird. Look! Bird and chicken have the same sign. Bird, chicken. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Lion, lion, lion. Tiger, tiger. Look! Lion and tiger have the same sign. Snake, snake, snake. Fish, fish, fish. Penguin, penguin, penguin. Today we learned the signs for what? Animals. Thank you for watching. Bye.